Perfect results every time, never over or undercook your food again. The Anova Precision Cooker Nano circulates water at the exact temperature required for perfectly cooked meals, no matter what's on your menu. What to cook? Sous vide, pronounced sous vide, cooking offers the perfect level of doneness for chicken, fish, vegetables, eggs, beef, lamb, pork, and more. The ability to lock in flavor and moisture during the cooking process results in texture and taste that is second to none. Small but mighty, the 12.8 Anova Precision Cooker Nano stows away in any kitchen drawer next to the whisk and ladle, so your counters stay uncluttered and your favorite new cooking tool stays within reach. Nano easily attaches to any stock pot or container with a fixed clamp, and is constructed of super durable plastic that's easy to clean. Customer experience, designed in San Francisco, California. Anova delivers thousands of sous vide recipes for free in the Anova app, created for cooks at every skill level by award-winning chefs and home cooks alike. The Anova Precision Cooker Nano makes it easy to achieve professional-level cooking results at home. To use, simply attach the cooker to any water-filled pot, put your food in a sealable bag, and set the time and temperature. The Anova Precision Cooker Nano heats and circulates the water to a precise temperature, cooking food to an exact temperature which creates maximum tenderness and moisture retention, without worry of overcooking. The Anova Precision Cooker Nano connects to your phone, so you can cook amazing meals by the touch of a button, spend less time tied to the kitchen by relying on the app to notify you when your food is ready to eat. Cook time, up to 99 hours. Top reviews from the United States. Chef-inspired / home cook usable. As my title states, I'm an executive chef and have used a sous vide machine commercially for about 12 years. This product is without a doubt a must-have in your kitchen. You'll have less waste, better flavor and safe and controlled temperatures throughout your cooking experience. Say goodbye to the dried chicken and oops, the steak is not right and it's dry. My only complaint is that the Bluetooth is intermittent and I have to shut it off and reset the connection, however it can be used manually as well. Any home cook that wants to propel their skills to the next level should purchase this product. The app has cooking methods for many items, even cold brew coffee. Yep, that's right, it's great, enjoy.